Hello and a beautiful good morning. It is day número 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Day number 5, and yeah, I woke up to this. I did yoga out here. Incredibly beautiful. It's actually a really cool place. I'm now leaving. This is yeah, just had a pad thai here again. Great. What did I have? Banana fruit smoothie. Also great. And please come check this place out. Yeah, Tom, the owner, and his family are super. The little kid is so cute. And I have no real plan. I'm just gonna drive and see what happens. Okay, I've just stopped over on the side of the road to get some fruit, and I'm gonna find somewhere kind of shaded to eat this and enjoy it. I feel like the loop is so diverse. You never see like the same. Like you have mountains. Yeah, there's so much diversity. And driving through, like I don't know, even in the middle of not in the middle of nowhere, but in the most kind of non-touristic places. Like there's so much of that you see. So many small villages and things like that. And all of this, a lot of fruit. I think I got 2 dragon fruits, 2 oranges, 3 limes, a pear, and that was 50,000. So like, yeah, £2. Incredible. Yeah, this road, you go through different villages and things like that. So many lorries and trucks, and all the dust is getting lifted up and going in your face. But yeah, we're having a good time. I absolutely love fruit. Fruit is maybe my favorite type of food. Yum. Oh, that's so good. Let's get back on the bike and continue driving this way. So the place I'm looking for is a forest in a temple, and I've been driving through and so many houses are abandoned, and even this place looks completely abandoned, but there's like shoes and stuff there. So I don't know, I don't even, I've looked on maps, it doesn't even look like I can get to the temple. I think maybe I've missed a turn-in or something, but it's a bit of an eerie feel, like houses are just empty. It's like out of a film, the world is just abandoned. It's just cows. Regardless though, even though maybe I've taken a 2-hour detour and maybe not found the place I was looking for, the views have been spectacular. And the drive here, driving through, it's a dirt road. I thought a lot of the road on this journey would be like that, just dirt. And yeah, dirt road, but then such green, luscious green and mountains, and just the landscape, many times my jaw, incredible. I mean, people must live here because there's chickens and they're obviously being kept alive. So, and there's a water tank back there. Just look at that mountain and the views all around. Yeah, maybe I'm lost, but yeah, sometimes it's not about the destination. As we know, it's the journey, and sometimes you do get lost and it's completely okay. So I've driven just a little bit further down the road, and there's this sort of I don't know what it is, power plant type thing. Even this looks abandoned. Yeah, I'm really getting post-apocalyptic feels. The thing is knocked down, the gate. Like I said, it's an eerie feel. Could go up top. I've tried to say hello, nobody. An empty room. Ah, look at that though. Literally the only sound out here are cows. Hello. And a nice little pond here, or river, or I don't know, body of water. But very cool, I enjoy it. Like I said, it's like out of a film, like out of a post-apocalyptic game or film. I mean, nonetheless, incredible views. Might look like a place devoid of life, but it is not. We have found some life. Hello guys! Some buffaloes chilling. Beautiful. I don't want them to charge at me. Maybe this is my sign to get out. They're all staring at me. I do think they're actually very used to humans. I think the look was don't come any closer. But you're okay where you are. Oh. I think they're very friendly. Very cute. I feel like I'm in a nature documentary. I've just been kind of sitting down watching them, staying out their way. But we have even more over there if you can see them. What a beautiful experience. I will say that eerie feeling has gone. I've just been completely immersed in this. I'm, giving them space. I'm just kind of sitting here, and only one of them took interest in me, but didn't come so close. Literally just sitting here observing them. I feel I've never had an experience like this. This is extraordinary, and they're very beautiful animals. I feel incredibly blessed to be able to see this. I think this is definitely a memory I'll keep close to me. And sure, I'm lost. I have no idea where I am. But like I've said before, sometimes the best places are not on Google Maps. They're not on anywhere. You just go out and experience them, and probably, maybe I'll never experience anything like this again. I mean, this is, really something special. I feel very grateful and happy because I love animals, so yeah. Again, I'm just driving back. No idea what this is. Looks like a bunker or something. And there's this huge, like, metal crate here. Nothing's inside. What an adventure! I'm very happy. Literally is like out of Jurassic Park or something. Nature is truly beautiful. I'm in awe. Yeah, just like the greens and the mountains, the sand, everything about this is perfect. See, like in the distance you have the water and the outline. Wow. I'm completely mesmerized by this. This is what I mean by the abandoned places. Sunset is looking super. You can kind of see some mist back here, and some birds are flying through. And I don't know why, I've never been there, but it reminds me of Africa. Maybe documentaries I've seen or something, or on TV, something. And yeah, I feel in my heart, Africa and South America, I'll be there in the future. If yeah, I trust at some point in life I'll be there. I'd love to do some volunteering or something there. We just get to experience it. I feel very blessed for this life, and yeah, to be able to do what I do, and yeah, thank you. So I'm back on the main road, and Thakhek is actually only about an hour away. I didn't know it was so close. So I think I'm actually going to head back. I feel it was a very good ending to this journey, and forever grateful for this. It has been incredible. One of the best things I've ever experienced in my life, and like I said, very, very grateful for this. Hello, Savadi! Yeah, I don't know that place I was. Obviously it's a smaller village, and some people like very happy, some people, I mean, most people would smile and wave, some people didn't, but it's really, really incredible. Like I said, really an incredible experience. I would urge anyone to do this if you get the chance, and I feel very, very grateful that yeah, I got taught how to ride a scooter in the first place from my friend Florida in Sri Lanka, and then the semi-automatic from two people I met outside my hostel. And yeah, like I said, an hour drive away, so I'm gonna head back there now. And yeah, many places I didn't go to on the loop, but I think I'll be back in Laos, and so it's possible to do this again and stop off all the places that I didn't go to. Thank you so much for joining me. Ah, it's so loud.